Rules for motorcyclists. These rules are in addition to those in the following sections, which apply to all vehicles. For motorcycle license requirements, see page 118 to 120. Highway Code Rule 83. On all journeys, the rider and pillion passengers on a motorcycle, scooter or moped must wear a protective helmet. This does not apply to a follower of the Sikh religion while wearing a turban. Helmets must comply with the regulations and they must be fastened securely. Riders and passengers of motor tricycles and quad cycles, also called quad bikes, should also wear a protective helmet. Before each journey, check that your helmet visor is clean and in good condition. The laws relating to this regulation is in red. The Road Traffic Act 1988. Rule 84. It is also advisable to wear eye protectors, which must comply with the regulations. Scratched or poorly fitted eye protectors can limit your view when riding, particularly in bright sunshine and the hours of darkness. Consider wearing ear protection. Strong boots, gloves and suitable clothing may help to protect if you are involved in a collision. Rule 85. You must not carry more than one pillion passenger. You must sit astride the machine on a proper seat. They should face forward with both feet on the footrests. You must not carry a pillion passenger unless your motorcycle is designed to do so. Provisional license holders must not carry a pillion passenger.